Welcome to the NewsRamp Government and Politics podcast for Tuesday morning, March 3rd, 2026. Real stories, AI voices. Full articles at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's get into it.
The IRS changed the rules on cost segregation in 2025. Some investors are still playing by the old ones. The IRS updated its cost segregation audit techniques guide in 2025, causing confusion among investors. The guide now references the AmeriSouth case more frequently to challenge reclassifications in cost segregation studies. Brian Kitchela of Cost Segrex emphasizes the importance of individual property assessments. With bonus depreciation in effect, choosing the right provider for a defensible engineering-based study is crucial. Look-back studies and capital expenditure studies are options for property owners. For accurate results, consult with a CPA before proceeding. Colorado's vacancy tax fight and the realtors who spoke out. Inside the advocacy playbook that protects Vail's property rights. Colorado's state legislature recently introduced a bill allowing taxing authorities to hold elections on vacancy taxes, sparking discussion among property owners and real estate professionals. Mark Gordon, a director for Colorado's National Association of Realtors, played a key role in advocating against the bill. Gordon emphasizes the importance of organized real estate advocacy, citing the recent defeat of the vacancy tax bill as a successful example.
Former State Representative Linda Massimilla tapped as New Hampshire state co-chair for U.S. term limits, joining former State Senate President Chuck Morse. With a strong background in public service, Massimilla emphasizes the urgent need for congressional term limits to address dysfunction in Washington, D.C. She is dedicated to uniting citizens across political lines to push for reform. U.S. Term Limits President Philip Blumel expresses confidence in Massimilla and Morse's leadership to pass term limits in New Hampshire.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Government and Politics podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.